revolutionary are you? Hi, I'm Samantha Moore. As president of the Scarlet Council, I want to thank you for contributing to Rutgers during our 250th anniversary year. No matter where you directed your gift, you are a part of a special community that creates endless opportunities for today's students. Learning from stellar faculty, utilizing cutting-edge equipment, studying in state-of-the-art facilities, contributing to important research, playing Big Ten sports, and participating in an array of activities that cultivate our interests and passions. You are making it possible for students to be the first in their families to attend college. You are making it possible for first-class healthcare training and resources. When you donate to Rutgers, it ensures that our faculty, doctors, researchers, and staff are experts in their respective fields and at the forefront of education. Your support is helping to make Rutgers one of the leading research institutions in the nation. You are part of the amazing momentum that is laying the foundation for the future of our entire state university. You are making sure that Rutgers remains revolutionary for the next 250 years. Thank you.